In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign up page in Webflow easily. First, open your project in Webflow and make sure you're in the designer. If you're starting from the dashboard, select your site and enter the designer view so you can place and style elements on the canvas. It helps to land on the page where you want the sign up section to live, your homepage, a dedicated sign up page, or a landing page so you can see it in context. Next, open the Add panel. This is the toolbar that lets you drop new elements onto the page. You'll find the plus icon along the left side of the designer. Click it to reveal all the available components. A quick tip, you can also press the A key on your keyboard to toggle the Add panel open and closed, which speeds up your workflow as you iterate. Inside the Add panel, switch to the Layout section. Layouts are pre-built blocks that combine common elements in clean, responsive structures, which is perfect when you want to move fast without starting from scratch. You'll see a variety of ready-made sections here: grids, hero areas, and yes, form layouts designed to fit standard page patterns. Use the search field at the top of the panel and type sign up. This filters the layouts so you only see options relevant to a sign-up experience. And if you don't immediately see what you expect, confirm you're still on the Layouts tab and that the search is spelled correctly. You can also try Form to reveal broader form options and then adapt them to a sign-up use case. Now, select the sign-up form layout you like. Clicking a layout will add it directly to your page at the current selection point. You'll typically get a neatly structured section that includes headings, text fields for details like name and email, a submit button, and built-in success and error states. Because it's a layout, it's already responsive and spaced consistently with sensible defaults, so it's ready to preview as soon as it drops onto the canvas. From here, you're set. You can customize text, colors, and spacing to match your brand and adjust field labels for clarity and accessibility. Remember, this creates a sign up form for collecting submissions. If you plan to handle user accounts or memberships, you can connect this form to the appropriate service later. For best results, keep your form simple, make key fields required only when necessary, and use clear button copy like create account or sign up. That's it. Your sign up page section is in place, quick and clean. Thanks for watching and enjoy building in Webflow.